So to fix this problem, go to your phone settings, scroll down below to your phone settings, tap on it. Now you have to search in for app management. Now tap on app list. Then after that, as you can see, it's loading. You just have to wait after it's loads. Then you tap on these three dots. Now tap on show system. Then after that, you have to search in for system UI. So this is it. Then you tap on it. Then after that, tap on the storage and cache. Tap on the clear cache. After doing this, what you have to do is to restart your device, and this problem is going to get fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in our next video.